time, it doesn't, the heating source doesn't kick in. So it still start timing down. Like for example, right now, if I key in like 10 seconds, 11 seconds, I do start, the light comes on, but there's no, I don't hear the noise of the heating source. And logically nothing gets hit. Countdown, nothing.